Good morning everybody, I hope everyone's well. So yesterday's video was a bit of a flash dash, just hit it and just go home basically. So we ended up going over to Hillen, to the big project, and just to go pick up a few bits, full van load. I need to go back tonight just for a couple more bits, I couldn't even fit on the van. So yeah, we're on Thursday now, second day on this job. Second day, we were here half a day yesterday, we got here about 12 or something like that. But as you've seen, we're doing a block paving drive extension, either that side even. Drive extension, I'm sure it's only 18 square metres, 5.8 by 3, more or less. But yeah, lovely little job, nice and quick. However, you've seen the sun's been out. Today we're going to get a little bit of rain, but tomorrow, Friday, finish it, let's get done, let's get paid. Quick job, quick turnaround, gonna rain. So we're on about having tomorrow off work, but then going back and on Saturday, just laying them Saturday. Try and get today, I want to try and get it stoned up, which we're doing. We've got this digger taking it out, loading van up, and then they just need to get pin curbs in. Now, I'd rather spend another hour here today sanding it up and just get it sanded, get it covered, and it's ready for Saturday. And then we're just literally laying blocks on Saturday. So not really a full day, really, laying blocks. So yeah. But yeah, catch you all soon. See you in a bit. So I'm off again now. I'm off for some half a ton of hardcore and like 3/4 of a ton of grit sand. We're going to sand it up and we are going to go for it. We've just studied weather tomorrow and it's actually saying like 30% rain, and when it does rain it's light rain, which how many times are you at home and you think, oh, you know what, we'll have day off because it rain, and then it don't frigging rain. So we're just gonna go for it. Saturday, if we have to come in and grit it, kiln sand it, we have to come in and kiln sand it. So let's just do it. Let's just go for it. So let's go to Marks. So you'll have noticed then that I went on weighbridge, got loaded up by the digger, the shovel, whatever you want to call it, and then I went back on the weighbridge and then went back in again. So basically I've bought half a ton of hardcore, like I say. That's recycled stuff. It's got MOT certificate with it, so it's like Ministry of Transport certificate, so they can use it on highways and stuff like that, so it is a good spec. And then you go weigh yourself, and then they'll say, oh, you've got, like, I've literally got 0.4 on, I've got no weight on it at all. And then I went back, in again, obviously you saw it. Well, it looks like I was driving around in circles, and then ended up getting 0.7 ton of grit sand. Now, I love it at Moan Brothers, and grit sand, when you go to a supplier's, is around 58 quid for a 0.8 as well. In them bulk bags, you don't get a ton, you get a 0.8 of a ton. I've just got a 0.7 of a ton there, and let me have a look at this. Should be looking at it while I'm driving, really. Recycled type 1, not to 4 mil, is £15.40 for 0.7 of a ton. So you can see why we go there. And what they do is, you might not see it because of camera and stuff like that, but where I parked first to get loaded up, there's a big hole there, and the bloke rock up, get sandstone out of it, because obviously it's a quarry, and then they've got a big massive machine down on right hand side. And it cost them 4 million. It cost them, or 5 million quid, and basically they can put a bit of sand in, and then they can put all that sandstone in, and grit sand comes out of the other side. And it is mental how it is exactly the same as grit sand from your MKNs and all stuff like that, and your Farmax and stuff, because it's just exactly how they build it, how they make it, how whoever makes it, but it's just been passed down that many agents, and then they're putting all the percentages on, because you've got to be in a buying group, so they're going to put the 10-15% on, you know, on everything, and it just gets blown out of proportion. Whereas if you go to the supplier, to the manufacturer, absolutely laughing your head off. 20 quid a ton, roughly. Do you know what I mean? It's just ridiculous. But yeah, I'm on my way back now. I understand that you didn't want to see the same journey all the way back. But yeah, we're just going through round here. Which for all you guys around Leeds, who aren't from Leeds, Round is a very, very, very nice place. And I believe Leeds United, when they sign people and they put them up in, they like offer them a flat and stuff until they get settled, don't they? They're all in Round here. So, there's quite a few flats in Round here from what I've heard. But yeah, guys, see you back on site. I'm actually going to do some work now rather than driving about. Catch you soon. Like a bloody driver today. Missing all action. Taking soil over to Palmer's to tip. Bringing hardcore back. Now I'm just nipping to Tesco for a Tom a meal deal while he's doing that. But suppose got a bad back on her, so I've just got to take it today. But this is the sort of day where I want to be like on the action, you know, and like just grab my phone, bending over and giving it some, but I'm not supposed to be doing it at all, never mind being at bloody work. So yeah, it's got to be grateful for days like this, really, when they are actually cracking on. Nice. Made me scratch my van on a bush. Nice one, mate. But yeah, we're cracking on today. The weather, we're going to get it stoned up, but the weather tomorrow, it's just a bloody worry, you know. And it's one of those where you say, yeah, everyone have a day off, and then don't even frigging rain. But it's basically because we're going to screed the sand, then lay the blocks, but when we whack the sand, it'll just turn to mush, and it'll be horrible. So that's his main concern. And then obviously you've got your kiln sand, so that means traipsing on Saturday, traipsing over just for an hour just to put kiln sand in, whereas we could all just work Saturday and get on with it, sort of thing, you know. Have a day off tomorrow. Today's your Saturday, right, let's go work. And Leeds game's on at 5:30, whereas Youngblood is a Bradford fan. They're all 3 o'clock kickoffs, aren't they? Yeah, so yeah guys, I'll catch you when I'm back on site at some point. See you soon. Well, you know. Sorry. Telling Ginge to do it in 2 halves and you just do it in 1. No. It's alright there, mate. And all that side there's fine. Is that? What do you want it to measure at? 490. 490, mate. Yeah, sound. That was great. Yeah. 35. Yeah, sick. So he's 1900 we all. Just never tells you it's over 100. 84. Twins me, mate. Twins me. Yeah, twins me. Sorry. Well short, that, innit? Yeah. Right, we are done for today. That's how I end every video. Right, we're done. Every video, that's how I do it. So, that's it for today, guys. It's 3 o'clock and just 1 minute. Bit of water on. It's just starting to rain. Got sand in, covered it up with his best boards in the world. Look like a shark's eating it. Tomorrow, like I keep saying about the stress of today, is basically, whoa, just do as that, bro. Clean it up. We'll get some water on it. Just a bit of cement. We'll absolutely smash the crap out of it tomorrow. Only thing we might not be able to do is the dried kiln sand. Only thing. But I'm up at come on Saturday morning to get that sorted out. But yeah, guys, gonna lock up now, and I'll see you 8 o'clock sharp.